Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure your Vivo has enough charge and you're on the home screen. Once done, press and hold an empty area or pinch the screen to enter edit mode. This gives you direct access to layout, widgets, and wallpaper controls. If you prefer settings, open Settings then Home Screen and Lock Screen to reach the same options. You do this because edit mode shows live previews and keeps changes reversible, so you can test layouts and wallpapers before committing. Now you customize the look. Tap Home Layout to change grid or icon size, which affects spacing and how many apps fit on one page. Next, open the widget panel, select a widget, and drag it onto the screen. Widgets can be resized after placement, which is handy for clocks or calendars. For icons and folders, press and drag an app to rearrange or remove it. This tactile step is faster than menus and lets you create an efficient workflow that matches how you use the phone. Finish by selecting Wallpaper. Pick a Vivo Live wallpaper, system image, or your gallery photo and choose Apply to Home, Lock, or both. Once applied, tap Done or exit edit mode to save changes. If your launcher supports backup, export the layout so you can restore it later. If icons or widgets vanish, reboot the phone first and then clear the launcher/app manager cache if needed. This fixes most display glitches without affecting your data. So try that before more drastic measures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.